unlock the hidden potential of undeveloped acres, and discover your next lucrative investment by mastering Propstream's vacant land search. First, head to the Propstream dashboard and locate the main search bar. This is where your land-finding adventure begins. Click on that search bar, and let's refine our query. The key is to isolate vacant land. Navigate to the property type, filter, and select Vacant Land. With vacant land selected, Propstream will now focus exclusively on undeveloped parcels. This eliminates residential and commercial properties, saving you valuable time. Next, let's define our target area. You can visually draw a search boundary on the map by clicking and dragging, or you can input specific zip codes or counties in the Filters panel. Now, let's get specific about the land size. Under the Lot Size filter, adjust the slider to reflect the acreage you're interested in, whether you're looking for a small parcel or vast tracts. This filter is crucial. To identify potential off-market deals, let's filter by owner-occupied. Select No to find properties likely owned by investors or absentee owners, often more open to negotiation. As you see the results populate, pay close attention to the data points. Propstream provides essential information like estimated value, parcel details, and ownership history, empowering informed decisions. To save your refined search for future use and receive ongoing alerts, click on the Save Search button. This ensures you never miss a new vacant land opportunity. Once you've identified a promising parcel, click on its listing to access detailed information, including owner contact details. This directly enables you to initiate your investment or development outreach. By systematically applying these Propstream filters, you're no longer guessing. You're strategically identifying prime vacant land opportunities ready for your investment or development vision.